How to print documents from WhatsApp. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you print documents from WhatsApp. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open WhatsApp on your PC or laptop. So as you can open the WhatsApp by using your WhatsApp application, or you can also open WhatsApp web on the browser. So I'm opening the WhatsApp application. Alright, so after you open the WhatsApp, you'll have to just open the conversation from where you want to print the document. So in my case, I have opened this group, and from here I have this random PDF file to be printed. So to print this document from here, you'll have to just click on the option open. Alright, so after you open the PDF file on your system, you'll got such interface. So from here at the top, you can easily find the icon like print. So simply you can easily click on that print icon, or you can also press the shortcut key like Ctrl plus P. So simply you have to just click on that print icon. Alright, so from the print section, you can manually select the printer from where you want to print that, and you can easily select the copies, and you can also set the layout like portrait and landscape. And after you complete these settings, all of the settings from here like color, pages and more settings, you'll have to just click on the option print, and after you click on that print option, you can easily print your document from the WhatsApp application using your laptop to your printer. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope you found this video helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.